So this video is to show you how to submit an assignment directly from Notability without having to go to the Canvas app. So what we're going to do is you're going to look for your Notability app, open that up, and then once you have a file that you want to submit, so let's say this is a file I want to submit to one of my teachers, you're going to go to your share button. So remember that's on the top left hand corner. And then you're going to click on other apps. Remember, you want to make sure the format is in PDF. If it's not, you can always select it and then choose PDF, but I did have PDF already. You're going to click on Share Note. So right here where it says Share Note. And it's going to give you this window. So if you scroll over, you might see Copy to Student. You don't want to do that one. What I want you to do is I want you to make sure that you click right here where it says More. And then there's a way that says Submit Assignment on there. So you turn that on and you click Done. Now you won't have to do that every single time. Once you do it the first time in Notability, this icon will be there. So if you look, there's two Canvas icons. There's one that says Submit Assignment and there's one that says Copy to Student. You want to use the one that says Submit Assignment. So we're going to select Submit Assignment. And that opens up this box right here. Now if you look, I see course and I see assignment. So if I just click submit right now, I would be turning it into Miss C's class. Well, this is not homework for Miss C. So since I'm just testing this out, I'm going to click where it says course. And when you do that, you'll see a list of all the courses. So since this is just a test video, I'm going to select Sandbox. But if you were turning into, if this was Mr. Barker, I would choose Barker or Mr. Blue. So you choose whichever teacher you're turning your class, your assignment to. I'm going to choose Sandbox because that's where I'm putting it in. And then if you look right here underneath, it says assignment. So now when I click there, I see all the possible assignments I could turn in. So if I just click submit, it's going to submit to assignment for video, and that's not what this is for. This assignment is a submission directly from Notability, since we're just testing this out. So that is the assignment I need to turn in. So you're going to have to find the assignment that you're turning it into. So I'm going to select that one. So if you look, now I should see the course. You need to make sure that the course is right when you're submitting. And then you need to look and make sure that the assignment is right that you're submitting. So if you do not do those two things, then you may be submitting your assignment to the wrong teacher or the wrong assignment. It is your responsibility to make sure that these two are correct. If it is not, then it's like you turning in a paper to the wrong person. So this is no different than you turning in your math homework to your social studies teacher. It's not going to work. It's just because you submit it to the wrong teacher doesn't mean you get it graded. So you need to make sure that this is correct. Once you have made sure it's correct, you're going to click on the top right hand button that says submit. And once you do that, it should be submitted. Now, if you want to make sure that it did, if you have notifications set up, it's going to look, you're going to see the notification there. If you don't, then you can always go to your Canvas app. So you would let it load and you would go to the class that you turned it into. I turned it into Sandbox. And then you would go to assignments, and you would find the assignment that you were supposed to turn it into. So I was supposed to turn it into submit directly from Notability. So if I select that, I can see right here it says successfully submitted, and it tells me when I submitted and the time. So it is your responsibility to make sure that you submit your assignments. So you have to check and make sure it says successfully submitted. If you do not have that, then you did not submit. It is your responsibility to go back and make sure it gets done.